Welcome to HeyGen Academy. Proofreader lets you review and refine your translated videos before publishing them. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through how Proofread works step by step. From the dashboard, click on Translate, then choose Video Dubbing. From here, you can either upload your video file or use a link from YouTube or Google Drive. Next, choose your settings. You can choose either speed or precision, and to open more options, switch to the Advanced tab. Here you can configure settings like brand glossary and other advanced options. If you want maximum accuracy, you can also upload your own subtitle file in SRT or ASS format. Once everything looks good, click Review and Edit. This is the button that opens Proofreader, where you'll be able to check and refine your translation before the final video is generated. Processing may take a few minutes depending on your video length. One important thing to keep in mind, you cannot proofread or edit a translated video after it has been fully generated. Proofreader must be used as part of the translation workflow before you generate the final result. If you've already completed a translation and need to make changes, your options are to start a new translation with Proofreader enabled, download the captions separately, and edit them in a third-party tool, or retranslate the video from scratch. When it's done, your video will appear in your library. Open it to begin reviewing. Alongside your video, you'll see a translated script. Here you can edit text, adjust phrasing, and even choose a new narration voice. You can also create a custom voice clone if you'd like, and we recommend previewing your video so you can check pronunciation and flow. If you click on the hamburger icon above, you'll notice a few extra tools. You can download your script as Excel, Translation SRT, or Original Transcript SRT. Edit the script offline if you need to, and re-upload it when you're ready, or highlight any word to see its phonetic spelling for precise pronunciation. When you're happy with your script and translation, click Generate Result. Before generating, you can also choose to include captions or translate audio only if you don't want lip sync enabled. If you'd like a native speaker to proofread your work, you can even hire a certified HeyGen proofreader directly through Contra.com. To grant access to your proofreader, click on the button Invite Proofreaders and add in their email or copy the proofread link. Alternatively, go to your Projects tab, make sure your video is in a folder, then click the three dots next to that folder and select Share. Enter the proofreader's email and invite them as a proofreader. The proofreader only needs a HeyGen account of any plan type to access your project. They'll only see the folder you've invited them to, nothing else. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Proofread to take your translations and captions from good to perfect. Now you can confidently create multilingual videos that sound natural, polished, and professional.